Do you want a glow up without spending a single penny? Want clear skin, soft and plumpy lips, grow your nails fast, soft hands, healthy and shiny hairs? Any more glow up tips you will find. So watch full video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. If you want dewy and freshy look, drink water, at least 10 glasses of water. As shown in video, you can drink water like this also. These are the best combinations. You will surely love to drink. Hydrate done. Skincare. It's time to apply nice face mask. No mask. No problem. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Or you can make this mask. The best face mask for skin. Add rice flour, potato juice, raw milk and mix it. Apply this paste twice a week. This is the glowing remedy for your face. Made your skin smoother and soft. Skincare done. Nail care. If you want your hands soft, and if you have rough hands, try this remedy. Add 1 spoon sugar, some honey, few drops of lemon juice and body wash, and mix them properly. Apply on your hands and scrub. Wash after 5 minutes. If you want to grow your nails fast, try this. To grow your nails in 1 to 2 weeks, take warm water, add olive oil and few drops of lemon juice. Soak for 10 minutes. Nail care done. Lip care. If you want soft, plumpy and good lips, try this. Add sugar, then honey and little coconut oil. Mix it properly. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes before removing. Scrub little and remove. Lip care done. Body care. Best homemade body scrub to try. Take a box. Best if you take jar box. Add sugar powder, coffee, body wash, honey, and fragrance if you have. It's optional. And mix. After using, make sure to close the box properly. It makes your body smooth. Body care done. Feet care. If you have cracky feet and dry feet, try this remedy. This will surely help you make your feet softer. Add sugar, coconut oil, lemon juice and gram flour. Feet care done. Hair care. Everyone loves soft and shiny hairs. The best remedy is here for you. Add conditioner, coconut oil, olive oil and honey and apply for 30 minutes. Results will shock you. If you have dry, frizzy hairs, try this. Frizzy hairs are sometimes irritating. You should try this remedy. Must working mask. You can see ingredients in video. That's all the glow up tips. Comment if you want more type of videos.